Within the framework of the project, the Ikaas Consortia of Madrid is actively working on the integration of health warnings and alerts to citizens. During year 2, several tasks have been carried out related to the preparation of the infrastructure. For example, completing the acquisition of the mobile sensors that will be installed on the buses and will serve to calibrate the city. And also completing the integration of the environmental sensor network of the City of Madrid within the local cloud, and integrating the pollen sensors of the Palinocan network. In summary, the integration systems, connectors, and load and communication APIs are ready, and the data is being loaded in the Madrid local cloud, ready to be integrated into the global Ikaas infrastructure. In parallel, we have worked actively in the design of the sensing system that will be installed on top of the buses. This system has already been integrated into the network and data architecture of the EMT buses and collects in real time all samples of pollen, particle matter, ozone and NO2 during its journey. For the development of the collection system, we have taken into account parameters such as the speed of the bus and the temperature outside and inside the collection system compartment. Control of air circulation nozzles and other actuation mechanisms, which in turn contain sensors and actuators associated with the sensor itself. This engineering, anchored in the bus, allows obtaining air samples using any sensor of multiple manufacturers due to the development of a specific protocol that adapts the signals. The real-time integration of information coming from Madrid City Council and Palinocan network sensors, the new sensor network installed on the buses, and the traffic density information provide all the information necessary for the Ikaas machine learning mechanisms in order to predict pollution episodes. In addition to that, the supervisor can monitor the readings of all the sensors in real time, including those installed on the buses along with their geographical position. Based on the trip preferences, users can select their health risk profile and design their usual routes either on foot, cycling or by bus. The system shows you at all times your route and the route instructions. Whenever an episode of pollution or bad air quality arises, either because the Ikaas complex event processor detects an unfavorable evolution of a pollutant, or by manually activating the pollution episode by public authorities using the tools provided by the user interface, the system receives and projects the area of influence of the pollution cloud, sending warnings to users' mobile phones which are subscribed to the alarm system, and suggesting alternative routes that surround or avoid those areas with high pollution concentration. During year 2, prototypes have been completed, complying with the Ikaas integration design specifications. The design of the user interface and the pollution predictive model will be a perfect combination to provide adequate knowledge to citizens and media in order to minimize health risks arising from the emission and generation of certain pollutants.